Hi, in today's physical quantity we are going to see speed, velocity, distance, displacement. Okay, we all know that speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity, right? And speed means distance by time taken. Velocity means displacement by time taken. Now, here I said speed is a scalar quantity because it has got only magnitude. Magnitude means the value. For example, the speed of a car is 50 km per second or 50 meter per second, like that. Then that 50 is the magnitude. And velocity is a vector quantity because it has got magnitude as well as direction. So if the speed of car is represented with some direction, it means it is said to be velocity. It is equal to displacement by time taken. And we must know what is the difference between the distance and displacement. Before that, let us write the formula for velocity. See, if displacement symbol is x or s or d, like that, so x by t, or I can also write this as dx by dt. So velocity can also be defined as rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. So whenever there is a change in displacement with respect to time, that is what we call as the velocity. Its unit is meter per second. Okay, to make you understand what is the difference between the distance and the displacement, now let me draw a diagram which you are going to assume that diagram as drawn on the floor. Okay, because I cannot show you in this video that is walking on the floor like that. I am marking 3 points: A, B, C. The distance between A and B is 5 km, and B and C is also 5 km. Okay. Before I go and tell about the distance and displacement, first let me tell the definition or the meaning for distance. It is the total length of the path travelled by a body. It is the total length of the path taken by a body or travelled by a body. Then what is meant by displacement? It is the shortest distance between the initial and the final positions. It is the shortest distance between the initial and the final positions, right? Now, I am going to walk from A to B. See, assume this has been drawn on the, so this is the road, okay? I have marked 3 points on the road or on the floor. I am going to walk from this to this, like that. First we are going to know about distance. I am going to walk from A to B. So, according to distance definition, the total length of the path travelled by me is 5 km. From B to C, I am travelling again. Now the total length of the path travelled by me is 5 plus 5, 10 km. Again I am returning. It doesn't mean that I am not considering the negative direction, just I am coming back, travelling, right? From C to B I am travelling. So now the total distance covered by me is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 km. Again coming back to the point A itself. So the total distance or the total length of the path travelled by me is 5, 5, 5, 5. So 20 km I will travel. Now this is the distance. The distance travelled by me is totally 20 km. Now displacement. I am going to travel from A to B. So it is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. Now this is the final position. What is shortest distance between the initial and final position? It is 5 kilometers. So the displacement now I've taken is 5 kilometers. Now again I'm going to C from B. This is the initial position and this is the final position now. Now the shortest distance between the initial and the final position is 5 plus 5, 10. Now the displacement taken by the body is 10 kilometers. Coming back to B. Now this was the initial position. This is the final position. Now the displacement is only 5 kilometers. Again coming back to A. This was the initial position. Now this is the final position. So the displacement now here is 0. So this is the difference between the distance and the displacement. Right? I think you should have understood. And the distance is a scalar quantity. The displacement is a vector quantity. Right? Thank you once again. We'll meet in the next video.